Hello and welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing good. If this is your first time or stopping by to my channel, you are highly welcome. I'm so glad that you tuned in to watch my video. Relax, enjoy this beautiful video, okay? And if you love what you see, don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel and become a part member of this beautiful channel. Thank you so much. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I am so much grateful for all your love and support. Thank you and God bless you all. So guys, in today's video, we're gonna be unboxing this powerful suction hoover. I purchased this few months ago and I've used it for a while now. It served me so well. So I thought to share with you guys in case if you see it anywhere in the shop, you are good to go because once you have this as part of your cleaning equipment, it will surely serve you well, okay? So in terms of the price, I can't really remember how much I spent on this. It's been a while. It's been more than 4 or 5 months I purchased it. I can't really remember how much I spent, but it is over £100. Yeah. So the most important thing that I love about this hoover is, first of all, the color is amazing. It's pretty. It's very colorful. Okay. And yeah, I love the fact that it shines light. That it has this blue light that it gives when you're cleaning. So it doesn't really matter whether you're cleaning at night or during the daytime. It spots every dirt so that you can clean it once and for all, okay? You know, if it hasn't got that light, sometimes you might not see things literally on the floor, but with that light, you are able to see everything. Literally everything is visible for you to clean, okay? That is the one feature that I love about this hoover, okay? Also, it sucks dirt so well. The suction power is amazing. The hoover came with different compartments. Say if you want to clean your window or if you want to remove cobwebs or something hidden underneath, the hoover can literally go down like underneath the seat. It can actually bend because it's quite flexible to clean up any dirt under the table or under the seat, okay? It has different compartments for cleaning the ceilings and the hard to reach areas above you. You can literally stretch, to clean up those places. And again, the hoover is cordless, meaning you can pre-charge it before using it, okay? And you don't have to plug it whilst hoovering. That's one thing I love about it, okay? The battery, you can actually clean for about 4 or 5 hours per charge, which is not bad, okay? That's another feature that I love about this. You can pre-charge it and get it ready so the time you need it, okay? So it came with different compartments. It has different brushes, different sizes of compartments that you can normally use to reach hard to reach areas. You can, use whichever compartment that is suitable, to get rid of whatever that is there. It came with brushes, different sizes. The hoover is very versatile and practical to use at home. For instance, this one now, the mouthpiece is very tiny, so you can actually use it to reach those small size places that you wouldn't be able to reach with normal hoover. And I also love the fact that it has this filter tank that gathers dirt. Once it's filled, you can dispose it off in the bin and be ready to use it whenever you want to clean your space, okay? So as I mentioned earlier that it has served me for a while now and it hasn't given me any problem at all. It is still serving its purposes, okay? And yeah, that's all that I have to say. I hope you guys enjoy watching this. It is so nice to have around in the house, okay? It makes my life much more easier. Yes. So I'm gonna leave you guys to watch to the end. Make sure to give this video a like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you are yet to, share this video, and that will be it for now, okay? And I'm gonna see you all in my next video. Stay blessed wherever you are and keep walking by faith. Know that Jesus loves you and he cares for you. Stay blessed. Bye.